What's up, dog lovers? You know your furry friend is full of energy and loves to play, but have you ever heard of the notorious kennel cough? Well, hold tight, because I'm going to tell you everything you need to know to keep your pup healthy and happy. But before we get started, hit that like button. It helps this channel bring more videos like this to you. And oh yeah, subscribe. And I'm your host, Ali A. Parker. Kennel cough is a sneaky thief that can steal your dog's energy and playfulness in a flash. It's a contagious respiratory disease that can easily spread through contact with infected dogs in places like kennels, dog parks, and even your local vet's office. That's why it's essential to know the signs of kennel cough, such as a dry hacking cough, sneezing, a runny nose, and a fever. But don't worry, there's no need to let kennel cough get the best of your pup. With the right care, your dog can bounce back in no time. If your dog does come down with kennel cough, make sure to provide plenty of rest and keep them away from other dogs to prevent the spread of this disease. To help soothe your dog's cough, you can try using a humidifier or the steam from a hot shower. Just make sure not to get your pup too close to the steam, because it can be hot and cause burns. If your dog's symptoms persist, it's time to call in the experts. Make an appointment with your vet, who may recommend medications to help with your dog's symptoms or prevent secondary infections. Follow your vet's instructions closely and keep up with the medication regimen to get your furry friend back on their paws in no time. With a little bit of love and care, you can help your pup recover from kennel cough and get back to their favorite activities. Now that's all for today, and until next time, go have fun with your new puppy.